Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm sharing with you a wardrobe staple that will soon become your favorite item of clothing. This crewneck ribbed bodysuit from Miss Joy is one of the favorite pieces of clothing I own because it's so comfortable and because it goes with so many outfits. So first of all, let's talk comfort. This material is so soft, but also very stretchy. So some bodysuits can be very confining. This one lets you actually breathe and move. As you can see, it's quite stretchy. So I really love the fit. I'm wearing a size medium and I'm about 150 pounds, I'm 5'4", and I don't find it rides up at all. I really love the snap enclosures because they're super secure. They never come undone no matter how long I wear this bodysuit. Now, I can match this bodysuit with so many bottoms. I love to dress up, I love to wear skirts, I love to wear prints, and I love that this is a nice neutral that goes with so many different prints. I match them with so many skirts, and I even match this bodysuit with a nice pair of pants and a blazer, so it's the perfect layering piece. As well, you just can't beat a nice simple classic bodysuit with a pair of high-waisted jeans. It is such a trendy look, and I really love how this bodysuit looks wearing in a more casual setting. As well, it has some really nice features. So along with the ribbed material, which gives it a little bit of a different look, it has a really nice under bust feature that I feel kind of sets it apart from other bodysuits out there. So personally, I highly recommend this bodysuit. It is so comfortable and I can't stop wearing it. You'll match it with so many outfits, I promise. You won't regret it, but that's just my point of view.